guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the latest addition to the software development workforce in India. For years, things have been the same.
Massive number of graduates are coming out of different colleges every year, but quality is just way low, right?
As in like last 2-3 years, in the tech side, it's so difficult to hire.
Today we are unboxing a Masai graduate. Let's open this. Wow, would you look at this? A Masai grad comes in with 1200 plus hours of coding experience, 300 plus hours of data structures and algorithms experience, as well as technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It also knows MERN stack.
Masai is, building a great solution for a large problem for the country. I think this is much needed.
These graduates have 80 plus mini projects that they worked on even before they come out of the box. 100 plus hours of math and logic too. They have been run on 10 projects and hackathons as a usability test. Not bad, right?
These guys were coming from a background which is like really disciplined. They have developed systems already, or they were like doing great projects.
And interface communication has just hit new levels. 100 plus hours of soft skills development has made this version of the Masai grad the most sought after product in top engineering teams like these.
So the Masai comes into the picture, which is helping us actually, and other many startups. So I think this is the future now. Masai is doing so great.
This version of the Masai grad comes with a BTech in mechanical. There are other variants available, of course, as per your needs. We're talking BA, BSc, BCom, even BTech computer science. I'm sure you must be concerned with so many Bs, but the fact is that every single one of them will give you the A game. Masai has managed to get the same performance from all these degrees, which is really amazing. Their graduate is outperforming every other product out there in the market and perform consistently with little help or direction. How cool is that?
I mean, I must say that I have tried 2-3 schools, even not 2-3, 4-5 schools, but Masai is on top of it. If we have to hire, Masai comes on top of the mark.
So just visit this link and get one of your own today, or 2, or 20. Why? Well, you should hire talent that delivers. Is it for you? Why won't it be? Tell me. I'll wait. Thought so.